Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In today's video, I'll let you talk about all the specifications related to the MI Mix 4 device. Yes friends, this is a question which has been asked by plenty of my subscribers asking me to make a video just describing about the specifications, what are the fast charging and what are the unique things about this device. So first thing is that let's take a look at the back side of the phone. These are the back panel looks. As you can see, there's a big camera bump is going on in this placement on the back side. Not only on the back, even there is something going on the front side because the front cam is completely hidden inside the display. Yes, so this MI Mix 4 has got the complete front cam hidden inside. These are the mechanism works, as you can see exactly. Camera zone, these are present here in this phone, and this is not the first time we are seeing the in-display camera one, but from the MI Mix 4, this kind of next technology they are trying to use to hide this kind of front cam. That is something special going on in the front side, but something going on in the back side, the camera section. Let's see what is the camera specifications as well. So in terms of the camera, you can see friends, we do have the 50x of periscope camera lens we are having. So 8 megapixel 5x optical zoom, as you can see that's present, and main camera is of 108 megapixel. So which is present over there, and is ultra wide lens as well, which has got 13 megapixel, as you can see. And we do have the 1.33 inches of screen sensor size. That's kind of huge, I would say. As you can see friends, that's the reason we are seeing this kind of big bump in this kind of area. Not only that, the phone comes with a 4500 mAh of battery capacity, and which has got the 120 watt fast charging support. Yes, 120 watts. And phone can fully charge in boost mode 15 minutes to 100%. As you can see, in 15 minutes it can charge 100%, and default mode will take about close to 21 minutes of time, the MI Mix 4 device. So that's good to have this kind of two different options, so boost mode and the default mode as well. And regarding the processor, the phone will be having the Snapdragon 888 Plus chipset in the MI Mix 4. That's another latest Snapdragon processor we are trying to see. And in terms of the display, so we do have the 6.67 inches screen size, 1 billion 10-bit panel, and 120 Hz refresh rate. There's nothing change in the refresh rate especially, and HDR10 Plus Dolby Vision as well. That's also another advantage in the display segment. That's a good thing. And the phone weight is about 225 grams. As you can see, that's what the weight mentions. And already it feels kind of really good, but I'm not sure whether this phone will be able to launch in India. And if it gets launched in India, definitely the price is going to be more than 50,000, I would say, for this MI Mix 4. And the backside camera, you can see you can record up to 8K 24 FPS as well. The back camera, you can record that much of clarity, and under display 20 megapixel camera as well. That's a front cam, which we can actually see here. So apart from that, there's nothing much specialties going on. There's a fingerprint under display scanner is available, and battery capacity 4500 mAh of battery capacity. That's pretty normal. So these are the few complete specifications about the MI Mix 4 device. So overall it feels really impressive friends, but only the price range, it's going to be really very high. And that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and in case if you want any other information, let me know in the comment section below. See you in the next video friends. I'll then straight up for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.